How you doing, everybody? Well, here we go. I want to clean up these bracelets. I have these two Steinhardts, and they are not in the best of shape. But that's nothing wrong with that. That shows they get worn, right? But I have researched, and I think I know a way we can fix it. But I want to take and see if we can do it first on these. These are the off links from these guys. Don't ask me why. I think I got a half link. Yeah, see? I wasn't paying attention. I got a half link in there. That's why it's off. But anyhow, it's not why we're here. I went and got a few different sizes, grits of these. Now it's kind of the same thing as you might use to scrub your pots and pans, but they have much different, like grits, kind of like sandpaper, right? This is the absolute softest one there for sure. You can see it's see-through just about. Oh, it is see-through. It's very soft. I wanted to try this with you guys and see what happens. We'll try it live. If I fudge it all up, well, I'm going to be pissed and you guys can laugh, but we'll all learn something. So, which one's worse? I think this one is worse out of the two here. Yeah, definitely. So, what I'm going to do is just hang on to it and brush in one direction, straight, top to bottom, top to bottom, top to bottom, and see what happens. Apparently, you do this nicely. You might have to do it over and over a few times, but this should take care of most of the scratches on there. I'm going to make sure it's going all the way across from edge to edge. So I'm going to change up how I'm doing it. There we go. I can feel under my thumb I'm getting the whole width of the bracelet, right? Not missing out those edge links. Now, I wouldn't do this on a polish section. I think you're going to really mess up your polish. Unless that's your intention. But I don't know. I'm only continuing because I'm looking at one spot in particular that's really bad. And I still see it, but it's honestly, this is working great, I think. I can see an obvious difference immediately. These few links I managed to take out were in kind of rough shape as well. So if it fixes these links with little effort, that will be wunderbar. Wunderbar! Okay, now let's just take a quick look. I'd say that made a hell of a difference for the most part. I mean, there's a couple heavy spots, like on this link. Whoops. Sorry, you guys. I'm looking at the links. That made a big difference. There's an obvious spot on this link here, and there, and there, and there. There's still a few spots. Don't get me wrong. It's not perfect, but wow, did that ever make a difference? I mean, that's the backside, so I'm just kind of making the comparison, you know? Huh, and look at that. And I've washed this pretty good, so I know that's not garbage. You know what I mean? I've washed these. Oh, let's see what we can do with this one. This one wasn't even so bad. I don't think it'll get rid of that. But let's do the same thing. So I'm very curious because that worked great. And if it works just that easy, any brushed surface, I'm going to take some scratches off. I'm not even going as far this time. Yeah, see? That's working good. That's working extremely good. I would be very, that's going to take nothing at all to take this last little bit off those links there. You could even do that individually, like such, so that you're not overdoing it on the other ones that don't need it. And I bet you that would eventually, yeah, see, it's already coming out. Okay, you guys. So, experiment successful, and I think this is without a doubt nicely proven to get out minor scratches. You're not going to get out dings and stuff, but to get out some minor scratches, oh hell yeah, that makes a big difference. And that takes moments. Like I say, I'm not using anything else, just that. No buffing compound or anything else, except maybe the grease off my fingers, but I don't think that counts. That makes a big difference. Cool. Awesome, you guys. Well, thanks for joining me for this quick little, experiment. That works absolutely flipping great. I am going to take care of these now, like these bracelets. I'm going to take them off these cases, and I'm going to clean these bracelets up entirely, doing exactly what I just did. Now the polished parts I'm not going to do. I actually have some Cape Cod, I think it's Cape Cod, yeah, polishing cloth. So I'm going to check that out with you guys in another video. See what I see for polished parts that need polishing, like these parts here for sure. The little fold over clasps. But anyhow, thanks you guys. Appreciate you stopping by, checking this out. This works great. I would go find this stuff, and I would find the absolute finest, most gentle stuff that you can find. Only go in the way of the brushing. Only use it on a brushed piece. But yes, you could without a doubt refurbish your bracelets very easily. Very easily. Anyhow, thanks everybody for stopping by. Cheers.